Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is DashiaMonique, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I bleach my knots. This is a short beginner-friendly tutorial for those of you who are looking to learn how to bleach your knots for the first time and have never really done this before. So I'm going to get started by telling you the things that you will need to achieve that more realistic look. So you're going to need BW2 powder, 30 volume developer, a mixing bowl, aluminum foil, shampoo and conditioner of your choice, and purple shimmer light shampoo. Now, if you look into your closure, you're going to see like those little black dots, and that's what you want to eliminate. That's what's going to give you that more realistic look. Now, I'm using a 5x5 closure from CELIE here. I believe this is 20 inches. Everything I mentioned in this video will be listed down below in the description box. So I'm trying to get it at like a toothpaste, sort of like toothpaste. Like you don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin. So too thin will run onto the root, and that's not what you want to do. You don't want to bleach the roots. You just want to bleach the knots. And too thick will probably won't bleach fast enough. So for those of you who have never done this before, I do suggest that you use 30 volume developer just so that you don't risk over bleaching. Once you get it at that consistency, just apply it all over the closure. I like to go a little bit above the hairline, and once you get it above the hairline, then you can flip it over onto the aluminum foil. The aluminum foil is going to help you. It's just going to help speed up the process. After that, set your alarm for 25 minutes. Oh, and one more thing, I forgot to mention to use gloves. Like, I don't know why they have gloves on in this video, but make sure you use gloves so that you do not burn your hand. Okay, y'all, after 25 minutes, you should have rinsed out your bleach and apply your purple shimmer light shampoo and let that sit 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, so after 10 minutes, you guys should have washed out the purple shimmer light shampoo, washed and conditioned, and your closure should look like this. I hope this video was so helpful for you all. Thank you so much for watching my very first video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.